If you have opened social media lately, there is one name you absolutely cannot escape: Zhang Linghe. In 2026, he has officially become the undisputed king of C-dramas, capturing millions of hearts worldwide with his latest masterpiece, Pursuit of Jade. His striking visuals, towering presence, and intense emotional acting have made him a global phenomenon. But his path to the top wasn't a typical celebrity story. He wasn't born into a family of actors, and he never even planned to enter the entertainment industry. Today, we are diving deep into the true story of Zhang Linghe, from his quiet childhood as an academic genius, through his silent struggles and harsh criticisms, to how he handles the intense spotlight and relationship rumors today. Born on 30th December 1997 in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province, Zhang Linghe grew up in an environment completely far away from showbiz. As a child, he was quiet, highly disciplined, and exceptionally bright. In fact, he wasn't a theater kid, he was a science genius. He had a massive passion for physics and aerospace. His dedication led him to Nanjing Normal University, one of China's top institutions, where he majored in electrical engineering and joined the aerospace club. He was on track to become an engineer or a researcher. He was just a regular university student who happened to stand out because of his tall height and good looks, but his life completely changed when a chance encounter with an entertainment agent made him question his entire future. Entering the entertainment industry in 2019 was a massive gamble. Because he had zero formal training in acting, dancing, or singing, Zhang Linghe had to start from absolute scratch. When he debuted in Maiden Holmes, the pressure was immense. Imagine standing in front of a camera with no experience, knowing millions of people will judge your work. While his visuals were praised, he faced heavy criticism online from skeptics who called him just a pretty face without real talent. But Zhang Linghe isn't someone who gives up. He used that criticism as fuel. He spent endless hours working with acting coaches, analyzing scripts line by line, and practicing his vocal delivery. His relentless hard work paid off in 2022 when he starred as Changqing in the mega-hit Love Between Fairy and Devil. He broke everyone's hearts, and suddenly, the industry realized that this engineer could truly act. After his breakout, there was no stopping him. He proved he could lead massive projects, culminating in his absolute dominance with Pursuit of Jade. In this project, he showcased an incredible emotional maturity, proving to every critic that he belongs at the absolute top. Today, he isn't just an actor, he is a global fashion icon, representing top luxury brands and turning international runways into his personal stage. Standing at 190 centimeters with an elegant aura, he commands the room the moment he walks in. But despite the massive fame and the dizzying height of his stardom, his staff and co-stars always mention how down-to-earth, polite, and completely humble he remains behind the scenes. When you become this successful, the spotlight shines on your personal life too. Over the years, because of his incredible on-screen chemistry, Zhang Linghe has faced his fair share of relationship rumors with brilliant co-stars like Bai Lu and Yu Shaxin. While the media loves to speculate, fans know that these rumors are actually a huge compliment to his professional talent. He and his co-stars have this unique, rare ability to make viewers truly believe in the love stories they portray on screen. Zhang Linghe handles these headlines with absolute grace and professionalism, keeping his focus entirely on his craft and maintaining wonderful, respectful working relationships. It is this deep dedication to his work that keeps the public's love for him completely pure. From a quiet physics student to a global superstar, Zhang Linghe's journey teaches us that with enough dedication and hard work, you can conquer any field you choose. He didn't rely just on his looks, he earned his throne through sweat, tears, and continuous self-improvement. As we look forward to his future projects, one thing is certain, the Jhang Linghe era has only just begun. What is your absolute favorite drama of Jhang Linghe? And which scene of his made you a fan for life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you loved this deep dive into his inspiring journey, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow drama lovers, and subscribe to Drama World for more content just like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.